Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now run code 1 that triggers the error and see the output. Here's a detailed analysis and the remedy for this problem. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. Now let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And just like that, the code is running smoothly and our output is on point. The bug has been squashed. That wraps up our video for today. If this video was of help, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming fix videos. Keep the curiosity alive, keep growing, and happy programming to all.